Two of the most popular website platforms, one crucial decision. Which one should you trust with your website? On one side, we have WordPress.com, the giant in website creation. On the other, Hostinger, a rising star known for its affordable hosting and easy site building. We're testing them head-to-head on real factors: speed, ease of use, customization, support, pricing, and more. Let's skip the hype and marketing talk and see what actually matters for your website. Each round earns points, and by the end you'll know precisely who takes the crown. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's our game plan. We're judging these two on 6 main things: pricing, performance, security and backups, flexibility, design and themes, and finally, ease of use and support. I'll pop up the mind map on screen so you can see exactly where we're headed. Ready? Let's dive into pricing first. Pricing? Okay, so WordPress.com gives you a free plan, which sounds awesome, but honestly, if you want any of the real power features, like extra storage or fancy tools, you'll end up on a paid plan. They do keep it simple with upfront, all-in-one pricing though. On the flip side, Hostinger is, well, pretty hard to beat on price. They're known for low starting rates, and seriously, they always seem to have some discount or promo running. Plus, tons of the plans even bundle in an email and a domain, so that's a nice touch. The catch? Watch out for higher renewal rates and some checkout upsells, but between these two, Hostinger takes the value win without breaking a sweat. Moving on to performance. WordPress.com is pretty zippy if you're running a smaller or medium-sized site and you get a built-in CDN, which is handy. And it's a pretty big, but you don't get deep server control, and scaling up can get expensive fast. Now, Hostinger, even on their basic plans, you get solid performance. They've got global data centers, so wherever your visitors are, loading quick. And if you're a dev or wannabe power user, you can play around under the hood with SSH and all that jazz. Sure, the fastest speeds are on their higher-priced plans, but honestly, Hostinger is just a step ahead here. Alright, let's talk security and backups. WordPress.com is amazing for set-it-and-forget-it types, automatic updates, daily backups, DDoS protection, SSL, the whole deal, all included. The trade-off is, you lose a lot of control, like you can't just go nuts installing any old plugin or theme. Over on Hostinger, you also get essentials like SSL and advanced firewall, DDoS defense, plus options for both manual and automatic backups. Tiny catch: sometimes you'll need a higher plan or add-on for the fancier backup stuff. But overall, WordPress.com just has that extra peace of mind, so it's the winner here. Quick fun fact for you: did you know over 43% of all websites are powered by WordPress? Yeah, basically everywhere you look online, there's probably a WordPress site behind the scenes. Now, flexibility: this one's honestly pretty eye-opening. WordPress.com is super streamlined, no headaches, no maintenance, but they basically lock down access. No mucking around with server files, databases, or uploading just any plugin or theme. Hostinger, though, it's like an open field. You get absolute control, file access, databases, support for other CMSs if you're into that, and you can slap on any theme or plugin you want. Of course, that freedom means you need to handle stuff like updates and security yourself. Still, if you love tweaking things and hate limitations, Hostinger wins by a mile. Switching gears to design and themes. WordPress.com is definitely newbie-friendly here. They curate themes and make the setup process super painless, and they've got some great design tools ready to go. Some of the shinier, premium themes do cost extra, though. Hostinger, on the other hand, lets you loose in the wild. Thousands of WordPress themes out there, and you can upload just about anything from any source. The only caveat? You kind of need to know your way around a theme install and maybe get your hands a bit dirty with customization. But yeah, it all balances out. There's no clear winner here. Lastly, ease of use and support. Honestly, WordPress.com nails the beginner-friendly thing with a dashboard that just makes sense. Paid plans get you expert support, and you literally never need to think about technical maintenance. The free plan support is a little basic, but still solid. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support on those higher tiers, and they have a monster-sized knowledge base with guides for days. But the support level does depend on what plan you're on, and sometimes you're doing a bit of DIY troubleshooting. So if you want easy, reliable support and zero maintenance, WordPress.com is your best bet here. So if we stack up the scores across all the categories, you can see Hostinger really shines on price, performance, and flexibility, while WordPress.com holds strong on security and ease of use. Design is pretty much neck and neck. Here's the bottom line: if you're the kind of person who just wants their site running, hassle-free, zero maintenance, and no code to mess with, go with WordPress.com. But if you love having total control, don't mind handling the tech details, and want to save some cash, Hostinger is honestly the smarter pick. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button and stick with us for more smart web decisions.